Namaskaram. In this Agni initiative, we will explore about whole foods. So eating whole grains instead of refined grains. So some of you might have noticed this, that when you eat, for example, you are having rice, you may be consuming the polished or refined rice, which is called as white rice. Now what happens with this is that the outer layer or the bran is removed from the rice, and because of this a lot of minerals, vitamins, fiber, phytochemicals are lost. So it's important that we eat whole grains instead of polished or refined grains, because when we eat whole grains, in terms of nutrition, it's much more healthier compared to the refined grains. So you can try to switch to healthier alternatives like unpolished rice. Similarly with wheat as well, if you can have whole wheat instead of having refined. If you have maida is nothing but refined wheat, where the outer layer of the wheat is removed and you just have the starchy or endosperm layer which is left. So that's why it's considered as junk food. So see as much as possible in your diet if you can eat whole grains, and you can even avoid refined oils and products which are refined or polished. This can make a big difference in terms of your health. So nowadays there's a huge awareness, and people are aware about healthier alternatives, and it's also available in the market as well, where you can always choose to buy whole grains instead of refined grains. So please be aware of this and see how you can switch to a whole grain diet instead of refined grains. Experiment with this and let us know how it has been for you.
If you eat food and your body feels very agile and alive, that means it's good food, body is liking it. If you eat something, it feels dull, that means it's not liking it, it's having difficulty with it, that's why it feels dull.
Namaskaram. For those of you looking to explore about food in depth, we also have an online program on food called as Ahar. So we have a website called as ahar.yogire.com, which will have more details about this program. If you are looking to grow on the path of yoga, then food is as important as sadhana. So it's very important that you see what kinds of foods to eat which can assist you in this inner journey, and more importantly also how to eat. So we'll be looking at this in depth in this online program, and this can be done from the comfort of your home. From wherever you are, you can log in and do this program. So if you wish to explore this in depth, please log into our Ahar website and you can see if this is something which can help you take a step towards your inner growth. And we hope that the simple process of eating can also become a stepping stone towards your ultimate well-being. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.